how to master your mouse or discover your true DPI and improve your gaming experience as well. So DPI stands for dots per inch, which is the measure of overall sensitivity of a mouse that you're using. Higher the DPI, faster the cursor. So in order to customize your mouse, first of all, go to your settings, and in this option right here, search for mouse. Go to mouse settings, scroll down and go to additional mouse settings. Go to pointer options and make sure to uncheck this option right here. Make sure to uncheck it, right? So after you do that, click on OK. Now after that's done with, now in order to discover your DPI, what you can do is go to your favorite browser and in the search bar right here, search for DPI Analyzer. Make sure to go on the first website as shown in the screen. Click on it. Now after you have entered this website, then scroll down and make sure to enter the target distance as 1. Now after you do this, then make sure to shift your mouse to approximately 1 inch by getting a look at your mouse pad, not at the screen right here, but at your mouse pad, right? So hold on the target right here and shift approximately 1 inch like this. Try it again. So try doing it twice and find the average DPI. So for example, if you have your actual DPI from about 460 and the second time you do it of like 500, then your average DPI will be around 480. So what you need to do is keep that in mind. So this is how you discover your true DPI, which will help you to improve your gaming experience if you utilize the DPI well. So this is how you master your mouse and improve your gaming experience with the help of DPI, which stands for dots per inch. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.